Welcome back. Doing a very quick video. It's turned to shit again. It happened so quick. I have not had any time this year already, halfway through April, to do a lot on the truck. Work and family constraints as usual always have precedence. The latest thing that I'm up to, I'm doing an oil change on the 300 cubic inch petrol engine. They'll be uploaded soon. Having to do that in the next couple of days. I'm always on the lookout for good, cheap manuals. This guy is selling this for 20 bucks. I know a guy that actually has a COMMER knocker. He's just finished refurbishing it. I'm sure he doesn't need it, but I'm more than willing to part with copies of it. I have downloaded it onto a file on my laptop. There are 100 pages. It comes in as a very small file, but you'll have every single page. It's reasonably good for its age. 1955 publication. It is from Her Majesty's Training Prison up in Bendigo, but relatively everything's legible. It's all the pictures are, well, they even read parts and the bits and pieces. If you do, if you'd like a copy, more than happy to send it to you. Subscribe, a like and a comment. Comment basically let me know where you'd like it sent. Subscribe just to be nice. Ritchie's Garage is always prepared to give a little bit if we have the facilities, and obviously I'll be downloading a lot more of my Bedford files, but this was too good an opportunity not to share. So yep, subscribe, like, comment, let me know, and I'll get back to you, and I can download it and send it to you within like a minute or so, if that's any incentive. So yeah, unfortunately it's wet, it's cold, I hate the cold, and yeah, Ritchie's Garage. It's getting there.